Hello everyone, my name is Chris, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a photo light box. So let's get started. Let me show you the components that I'm gonna be using. So first of all, I'm gonna be using this plastic tubes. This is the main component that I'm gonna build the box with. A 2mm thick white sheet, some foam, the light source, I don't know which I'm gonna use yet, this one or this one, and some 3D printed parts that I'm gonna design and print in this video. So I will start off by making a demo of it, by building something just to show what's it gonna be like. So I'm gonna build the box with these, so let's assemble it. So this is gonna be my box. I'm gonna wrap it all with the foam, with the white foam, to keep the light inside, and put a light bulb over here and close it all around. So secondly, I'm gonna design a 3D printed parts to hook up all these parts together, and I'm not gonna use any glue. I'm just gonna 3D print parts and put them together to attach to all the pieces. So as you can see here, I want to make an angle, 3D printed angle, to hold these two parts together and this Z-axis part. So let's start designing it and taking some measurements so I can design it and print it. Okay, so here I have my 3D printed corners. I've printed 8 of them. I'm gonna attach them to the plastic tubes and see how it's gonna be like. And from there, to continue with the project and what I need, design more parts, print them, and put it all together. So let's assemble these. And now, what I need to do is I need to design some more parts, print them, and assemble it completely so I can finish this project. So, here I have all the 3D printed parts for the bottom part of the box. Let's install them and see how they look. Now, since the bottom part is done, let's put the foam, cut it, and put it in place. So, here's my bottom part, all done, fits well, it looked great. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut more foam for the sides and the back to close it all around. So let's do it. I've cut all the foam for the sides and the back and I put them together. So that's how the photo light box is going to look like. I only need to install this light, this fluorescent, round fluorescent, inside of here. Put it over here. So the next stage here is to install this fluorescent on the top and cover it all with foam from above, so more light will go in and focus on the objects, so they won't make any more shadow.
This match will get red hot. Now go!
So, here's my photo light box. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It really does the job. So what it basically does is it takes rid of all the shadow around an object. So when you normally take a picture of an object in a light room, in a normal environment, you will most likely see the shadow around the object, and you will take picture of the object with its shadow. And when you get an object inside a light box, you will see no shadow of the object. This way you will get a much brighter image and a greater quality. So how it does this? It does this by reflecting light from all the sides to the object, and this way there will be no shadow around the object. So that's what the photo light box does. And I built this photo light box to make sure I get good images of my 3D printed parts, the parts that I design and print, so I can get good images of them by putting them in the light box and of course taking good images of them to show you guys. So let me show you some pictures and photos with this light box of different things, foods, 3D printed parts, many different objects I have in the room, so let me show you some of them. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.